Call your representative and order a new alternative intensify cream. Hang on. Now it's year one. Save an extra 20% on your favorite item. It's the short sale. Well, it's the deli again.
All right, I'll have a sandwich.
It's number 20. You got pick number.
You guys sneezed at the same time. Wow. Oh my goodness, are you okay, Tinker?
My boy. Oh, bless you. Listen, baby. Oh, bless you.
Can't figure them out yet. I mean, I can see it, but I can't control it. And I just don't know what I'm doing with it. What should I do with them? Dad, can you help me? Okay. Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. And your anxiety. Okay, my arms are still here. That's good.
Cutie pie. Cutie pie. Leo. Bless you. Bless you.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Is that all? Give me a kiss.
Bless you. Oh. Bless you.
I got these all on video. I'm getting. It's windy outside.
I know, Mama told me that.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
Bless you. Baby sneeze fart.
There it is. Ah! Ah!
Bless you. Bless you.
Gesundheit.
Over here so I can get sugars from him too. Oh, bless you.
Yana. Oh, bless you.
Bless you. Bless you.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
Here's an alternate pitch. Spin.
Are you trying to eat your hand, pretty baby? Uh-huh. Hey, what are you trying to do? What are you...
Ayo. Ayo. You.
Do you see that? Oh my.
I don't know either. What a world in Is that monkey delicious? Jojo, over here. Bless you. Bless you again. Oh, are you okay?
You're okay.
How are you faking it? Huh?
Bless you.
It's so 70s. It's perfect.
Careful. Oops.
Bless you.
That's kind of adorable.
Oh, bless you.
What's Kitty Cat doing? Bless you. You guys are a mess. Wyatt, be easy. Why? Run, Milo, run for your life. Go, 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 go.